Hello saviors and welcome, my name is SaveR24 and today we're going to be continuing DeadBolt. Now, last time, as we could see, I really wasn't that great of a player, but now let's hope that things are going to be different. So let's see what the fire has to say this time around. The flames roar to life and you see visions of a man, Puff. No moment to flee, he should not be here. A man with a heart, he cannot live with me. Mission unlocked, intel. Okay, Puff. Shadows cast along the wall, and the flames show me silhouettes of Puff's death. This is the first time my employer has given me a specific target, and I succumb to the thrill. Alrighty then. Here we go! Puff. A low-level dealer, Puff, might know about their supplier. Kill him. Here we go! Roland. Pick up. Okay, I see how this is gonna go. Bunch of patrolmen. Oh, there's a Tommy gun. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Crap, I ran out of bullets. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, come on! I didn't even know if I was aiming or not. Okay. Oh, I should have gone through the vent. I didn't notice the vent. Nope. Alright, so here we go. This guy is done. Now I got a Tommy gun! Let's use up the revolver first. Is that ash stuff, I think they called it? Oh man, I gotta switch to the Tommy gun because I don't have much bullets left. Wow! Wow, that was intense. I didn't know if I was gonna... Oh, I'm shooting him through the freaking door. That didn't work. Well, that didn't work either. Okay, let's try this again. No, let's go to the Tommy gun for this. Wait for the big guy to turn around. Oh! Slaughter. Oh, wait. That was great. Oh, man. Sorry, dude, but... you're done. Oh, of course. There. Now I got a new gun. You're done. Now give me the Tommy gun. Give me that. Ah! This is getting annoying. I know I'm not the greatest, but I shouldn't be that bad of a shot. I'm out of bullets. I am out of bullets. This is not gonna go well. I got no bullets. Please, dude, turn around so I can go grab the Tommy gun. Please, please, please. Oh. You're just gonna stand there like a douche. Good lord, this is ridiculous. How many times have I died on this one level alone? Alright, let's switch to the sawn-off. I need a new gun for this mission, don't I? Well, that was convenient. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now this guy's gonna come through the... Bam! There you go. Okay, now I can go down here, grab the Tommy gun, go up here, go through the vent. Now I can go up here, grab the sawn-off. Oh, well, I've already got it full... Oh, I took the bullets out of the previous one. Okay, that's good. Okay, this is... a little ridiculous. If only they gave me like a knife or something, this would be a lot... This part right here would be a lot easier. Dang it! I can't do this! Do I have to? Seriously? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so now I've got myself a suppressed 9mm pistol with a knife, just in case. So let's see how well this works. Okay, that works pretty well, I'd say. Let's go to the knife for this one. And... well, I kind of screwed that up, so let's try this again, shall we? No, don't do that! No! No. Oh, come on! Okay, that's good. Switch to the knife. There we go. Now I can deal with these guys a little bit better, and... well, that didn't work! Okay, switch to the knife. Yeah, there we go. Now let's grab the Tommy gun for the big guy. Let's exit the vent real quick. Okay, go up. And now let's... really? I still can't do this right, even with a new weapon. 2 headshots in a row. That's good. Now let's go to the knife. Oh, there we go. That was a loud pop. I'm surprised these guys didn't hear it. Alright, so here we go, and... now. Okay, so now my pistol is out. Nobody heard me. That's kind of good. No. Crap! I forgot that it automatically picks up ammo. So I wasn't prepared for that one. But now, I got an execution plan. Okay. Well, crap! That didn't work. Wrong side of the couch! Okay, just ran out. This time that guy didn't hear me. Why? I didn't do anything different. Alright, let's turn off the lights to make things a little bit easier on me. Oh wow, he really didn't see me? They seriously just left their boss alone. Oh! Yeah, there we go! That's how we do it! I wanted to kill them all just for good measure, but good gosh, that was bad. That was bad! What was I doing that whole time? I mean, seriously. Oh, I had to get documents. Well, figures. The desk has a filing cabinet. Maybe there is useful information here. I pull open the filing cabinet. There are 2 separate tabs. The tab is full of loose papers. You pull open the drawer, and inside is a pamphlet with an embossed coin. Basic financing. Puff must have been designated as an accountant for the gang. Useless. A better outlining Puff's frustration in the gang. Useless. Oh, a letter outlining. Poorly drawn picture of a naked vampire. Useless. Labeled important people. There are addresses scribbled across the top. These must be the addresses of Zombie King's houses. Useful. Indistinguished scribbles. Useless. Oh man, could I keep the Tommy gun and maybe the 10mm pistol, please? That was an annoying level. I spent 20 minutes on one level. How did I get a 4-star rating with 7 deaths on that one level? Oh, I restarted I quit the level and then came back. I shouldn't have 4 stars on that, seriously. Okay, here we go. Let's do one more, because I don't want to do just a 20-minute episode of me just dying on one mission. With more vigor than usual, my employer is happy with success. Hellhounds from beneath, bred by the undead. Go stop the weeping and gnashing of teeth. Hellhounds are 3-headed dogs with amazing sense of hearing, but they can't open doors. I'll use that to my advantage. Okay, good to know. Follow the hounds. Oh, look, hellhounds right off the bat. Ooh. Oh, okay. Nice. Yeah, that's a nice way to keep people from noticing anything. And let's bust out the lights just in case. Okay, so let's see. Where's this vent go? Oh. Oh wow, who sniped me from what distance? Good lord. Get out the knife. I did the wrong button. Oh, there's a bunch of knives over there too. Okay, and... What the heck? That was the wrong side! Okay, so let's go over here. Knock, knock. Who's there? Death! Bye-bye. Just wait for it and turn off the lights first, because he's gonna come through like an idiot. And I'm gonna myrtleize him! Okay, so... No, don't do that. Yeah, there we go. Now he's good. Now he's gone. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, come on. Now I got no weaponry. Okay, now I got some weaponry. That's good to have. Let's go back to the knife. Really? I didn't even get a knife off. There goes the dog, and now... Dang it! Yeah, there we go. Now we're cooking. Okay, there we go. Now let's see what we can do about this guy. Ah! Don't bring a knife to a gunfight? Is that what happened? Or was I just being stupid? It could be either one. Okay, here we go. I'm trying a different tactic this time. I actually did a whole different tactic. Actually, I may do it again if I have to do that. Yep, redo that tactic. That one was effective. Die! Yes! Got you! I got you! Finally! That was such a pain in my rectum! Ugh. Well, at least I got them down now. Good lord, I had to do some serious rethinking over and over again. I died way too many times. I feel like redoing that mission just for the sake of getting it done better. You know? How did I still get 4 stars with 16 deaths? That makes no sense. I guess the deaths don't count, just how often I do it right. Oh well, I recorded 2 levels. I only got 2 levels in and died so many times. Way too many times, actually. But I'm going to have to end the episode here. I'm going to have to chop up this video a bit. So thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video because I was getting really frustrated at that crap. But if you did, hit that like button and subscribe, comment for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody!